Hey guys, Bryony here from Accelerate. We're here with all of our Safety Dave product. We're going to run you through all the different products you can purchase on our website and what comes in each kit. So the first one that we start off with is what we call the reverse camera kit for car. So basically what it comes with is either your choice of screen, so you can go the 5.8-inch Sunshield one or the 7-inch rear vision mirror one. It then comes standard with the kit is your 7.5 metre cable, a dust cap, your power loom, an extra 1 metre cable, and also a remote. Now the awesome thing about the Safety Dave stuff is that it's all plug and play. So basically you've got a cable here and in this one here, and they just plug in together and screw in. So it is nice and easy to install yourself if you so choose. So we're in our reception now. We're just going to show you the two different monitors that we've got. So this is the one that clips over your rear vision mirror. So both of them have a function where they've got the V1 and V2, and that allows you to switch between the different channels. Both the monitors have a microphone in there. Oh, sorry, the cameras have microphones in there, so you will get sound through these as well. So this is a 7-inch one, and then this one up here is a 5.8-inch, and it comes with the Sunshield here, so it gives a little bit of protection. So Andrew has this one in his 79 series. He loves it because he's got the canopy on the back, so it's a permanent thing there. I use this one when I'm just towing. So this one I can unclip, and I can put it in my glove box or somewhere safe when we're not towing, and it's out of my field of vision, and I don't have it distracting me while I'm everyday driving. So this is a really great option if you are towing, and the sun protection one is fantastic as well. So what also comes in that car kit is your choice of cameras. So I'll run you through the cameras quickly here. You can do a license plate camera. So this one's really popular. It goes above your license plate number and sits in there. You've got the little butterfly mount camera as well, this one here. And then more for your cars or your canopy type setups, sorry, caravans or canopy type setups, you've got the square cameras here. So you've got choices of white or black, and then same in the round one here. You've got your choice of the white or the black one. So having a canopy set up on the back of your ute is becoming increasingly popular, but one of the big problems is you can't see a thing behind with that canopy on. So what's becoming really popular is putting in a reverse camera like this one here on the back of the canopy, and that way you can have it on the whole time you're driving and see everything right behind you. Okay, we're in the cab of the 79 series here, and this has got the canopy camera on the back of it. So as you can see, here's a rear vision mirror monitor of the Safety Dave thing. Andrew actually leaves his protector on there. He thinks it just cuts out a bit of the sun reflection. But you can see the car's on, I'm not in reverse, and I can permanently see what is behind us, and it gives us a really wide field of vision. So then jumping into the next camera kit that we do. So we do the reverse camera kit, which is a single camera kit that goes on the back of a caravan. So same again, you get your choice of monitors, you get your choice of your cameras. What extra is included in this is basically a extra 15 metre cable. So this is going to run the length of your caravan. And then an additional option that you can purchase as well that we really like to add on into your caravan kits is what we call the Wazza cable. So it's this one here. And then it comes with your car side and your van side mount. So we like these. So over these sort of little cables here, they actually twist and connect in, so they're a lot more secure. They're not going to come undone when you're on those corrugated or bumpy roads or even off-road with the caravan. So it's just a lot better connection for your camera there. So we happen to have this caravan in now that has a Safety Dave Wazza kit installed on it. So you can see here it comes with the mounting bracket. You get 2 of these, one for your caravan, one for your car. You then have your caravan side bracket. You've got your cable here that you can see it basically unscrews and screws in, and it's quite a tight connection, and then this one will mount into your car as well. So after the single caravan kit, you can then go into the reverse camera dual kit, which is for a car and caravan. So what that means is you need a reverse camera to go onto your car and also one to go onto your caravan. So these 2 monitors here with your power loom, they do have the option to plug in 2 cameras. So what you will be doing is you'll be choosing a screen. So same again, either one of these screens. You'll be choosing a reverse camera for your car. Probably these 2 are your most common here, unless you've got a canopy. And then also a reverse camera for your caravan. So on top of the screen kit, the 2 reverse cameras, you're also going to get a second 7.5 metre cable. So you'll have two 7.5 metre cables, and then also an extra 15 metre cable there as well. So these ones will both run the length of your car, one to your reverse camera that's on your car, one to your mount, your WASA cable or whatever you're going to use to connect it to your caravan, and then the 15 metre one again runs to your caravan. So we also sell individually the replacement screens. If you just need to purchase one of those, we've got that for you. You can buy the cameras individually as well after the fact. And then the WASA kit, as I said, is a separate product on there, and it is a really great option if you are towing a caravan for setup. So that's pretty much it. There's the 3 different kits that you need, either the car one, the caravan one, or the dual purpose car and caravan kit. As always, if you have any questions, please drop a comment below. And if you would like to see any more of our featured products, playlists, videos, please check out this playlist here, and YouTube really thinks that you should watch this video here.